What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add GIFs or GIFs to your Shopify store, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, make sure to hit that notification bell as I told you, so you can stay alerted. So what are the steps on adding GIFs to your Shopify store? So the first step in adding GIFs, of course, is to select the GIF you want to enter. Then if you want to, you can optimize it a bit. So it's important to optimize them from the web usage. GIFs can be large files that may slow down your website. So use an image editing software to resize the GIF, reduce the file size, and optimize them for web usage. So how to upload it? Basically, of course, you need to log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the section where you want to add a GIF, such as product page or home page section. Click the add image or upload files button and select the optimized GIF files from your computer. Shopify will automatically upload and process the GIFs for you. Of course, you can customize its placement. So you can customize the placement and settings to ensure they are displayed exactly where and how you want them to be on your Shopify store. Shopify provides various options to adjust the size, alignment, and behavior of the GIFs. Experiment with different settings to find the best presentation for your GIF. And of course, preview and publish your Shopify store. So the biggest thing over here is optimizing the GIF for not to slow it your website. So basically that's the entirety of the process, guys. As I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. See you guys.